Alright, Ilya back again, and in this video I would like to show you how easy it is to connect Google Maps to your website. For example, you have a physical business and you want people to see Google Maps on your website to see exactly where it is and get directions. Well, over here when you press on blocks, you have to select wireframes, and when you select all blocks you should be able to find different Google Maps over here. So for this example I'm going to use that whole section over here. Let's just load it in. Okay, and I'm just going to delete that because I don't need it, but you can use it if you like. I'm just going to delete it, and all we have to do is just press on the block, configure, location, just select the location. All we have to do is just get the address. We need to select the address. So copy the address, we just place it in, update, and there it is. I live in Warrington, so this is what I wanted to put on Google Maps, and just press over here. We just load it in again, and here we go, guys. We have successfully connected Google Maps to our website. Or if you like, you can use the other ones. We just press wireframes, all block. Here on the bottom, let's select this one, for example, and we just do that again. Just press on the map, just configure. We press the address, you just select the address, update, and boom, there it is. Select publish. Within few seconds we should have it ready. Yep, there we go. What is even cooler is that we can get that people who are visiting your website, they can get directions. Just they can select starting point and come to the place you have. Let's say if you're a physical business, that will be extremely useful. So yeah, if you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them down below in the comment section. And if you still don't have an account with Groovefunnels, you can use my link in the description or in the comment section. And when you register, you will receive some extra special bonuses. For example, let me just find promo.ilya. Okay, this is the page, and you should see these bonuses over here. You should receive them immediately after you register for your Groovefunnels account, so you can see other people what they are saying about the Groovefunnels. And if you need any help, just please reach out to me and I will be more than willing to help you out. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.